In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your chart in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a chart from your spreadsheet available to view outside of Google Sheets, with the right format and visibility for your needs. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you work with multiple profiles, so you have access to the spreadsheet you need. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher or the waffle. From the panel that opens, select Sheets to go to Google Sheets. Once Sheets loads, open your document. This can be any spreadsheet that already contains the chart you want to publish. If you don't see your file right away, use the search bar or switch to the correct drive folder. After the spreadsheet opens, click directly on your chart to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border around it and a small menu button in the corner. Click the three dots menu on the chart. This menu houses options specific to the chart itself. From this drop-down, choose Publish Chart. A publishing window will appear. Here, you'll choose exactly what you want to publish. If you only want the selected chart to be shared, pick Chart. If you prefer to publish the entire first sheet, choose Sheet 1. And if your goal is to make the whole spreadsheet available, select Entire Document. Keep in mind that broader selections can reveal more information than intended, so choose the smallest scope that meets your needs. Next, choose the format. You can publish as interactive or as an image. Interactive creates a live chart your viewers can hover over and, in many cases, it will reflect updates from your spreadsheet after you republish or as configured. Image creates a static snapshot that won't change, which is perfect when you need a fixed version for a report or presentation. Consider where this will be viewed and whether you want it to update over time when making your choice. When your options look right, click Publish. If a confirmation appears reminding you that the content will be visible to anyone with the link or embed, review it carefully to be sure no confidential data will be exposed. Then click OK to confirm. That's it. Your chart is now published and ready to be shared or embedded where needed. If you ever need to adjust what's published or its format, return to the same chart menu and update your choices. Thanks for watching, and happy chart publishing!